you do talk about reverse dieting. And let's talk a little bit about that because, everyone is always about dieting. Most people are thinking diet. Let's talk about reverse dieting.
Yeah, for sure. So reverse dieting is a principle that I took from the bodybuilding world because I used to compete in bodybuilding and it's something a lot of competitors do post show. So
Hmm.
basically you have to severely restrict your calories, you exercise like a machine to be able to achieve unhealthy levels of body fat, right? We obviously stop before we get to unhealthy levels of body fat, but the principle still applies after. Like how do we get you to live like a normal human and eat like a normal human after you've lost the weight? But what most people do, and that's why like I think this has like 95% of people put the weight back on within 6 to 12 months after they've lost it, which is crazy because you just put so much effort into
Right.
losing the weight. And then a year later, you're like, we're back in the same place or worse. So reverse dieting is a process of speeding up your metabolism post transformation to get your body used to eating a higher amount of food to maintain the results that you've achieved. And
Hmm.
so you just do that through slowly and methodically re-adding calories on a weekly basis, watching how your body responds. And you're basically tricking your body into being able to process more food because what most people do is they lose the weight, they're in a deep calorie deficit, and then they go like, "Yeah, I reached my goal, I lost 40 pounds. Let me go enjoy myself and treat myself
Yeah.
because I've worked so hard." But you're adding in so many calories, and you got to think that your body is basically it doesn't know that you've been dieting. It's just like I've been in the desert for a long time. There has not been a lot of food. There's a random buffet in the middle of the desert. I'm gonna eat as much as I can, and I'm gonna store a ton of fat as energy for the future because I don't know when's the next time I'm gonna encounter a buffet because you've been starving me for like 3, 4, 5 months.
Yeah, the
So
body is smart.
yeah, it is. It only wants to survive. Like it if you think of this logically, someone that weighs 500 pounds to the body, it has so much energy stored for the future, right?
Right.
Like
Right.
obviously there's a point where it's unhealthy. You need to have a healthy level of body fat, but to the body, it's just storing energy. That's all it's doing. It's like, I'm going to need this for later. I don't know when's the next time I'm going to have access to food. It's new to the human body that there's a Whole Foods or Trader Joe's around the corner. Like food
Right.
wasn't always as accessible, before we kind of got into this era. Yeah. So the body's
Yeah.
smart.
That's a good point. Food is so easily accessible. Food in air quotes here. A lot of times it's not food, right? Because it's the standard American diet and that's what people are gravitating to. And yet they're in a toxic hunger situation, never satisfied. And that's why they're gaining so much weight because they're keep shoveling in the standard American diet processed foods.